Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here in Treviso Bay, Naples. It is 9355 Vercelli Court. This is the Stanford floor plan, part of the manor line of homes that you'll find here at Treviso Bay. The Stanford here is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, over 2,200 square foot. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home here. So as we come inside this home here, directly to the right is going to be the first guest bedroom here. So you go down this little hallway, you've got your guest bedroom here, plantation shutters on the windows there, really nice and bright here. And the nice part about this particular room is it has its own bathroom attached to it. So nice little ensuite setup with the single sink, the commode, the shower with the glass doors that were added on. Really nice feature there. And then coming back out into the main area, you've got a large dining space here. Again, plantation shutters on the windows there. We've got upgraded flooring here, tile in the wet areas, and you've got this huge kitchen here. Nice sized kitchen with the island overlooking the great room. Got a nice tile backsplash here, the wall oven microwave, nice little eat-in kitchen area here. Right through this door, that's your 3-car garage. And then you've got your indoor laundry space here with the additional cabinetry. Nice size pantry there and the stainless appliance package. And all of this overlooks your great room area here in the Stanford. So it's a nice, beautiful room here for entertaining, overlooking your pool space. But first we're gonna go over here to the other 2 guest bedrooms. So one guest bedroom here, the owner is using as a flex room. So there's guest bedroom 1, and right in between both guest bedrooms, you have the guest bath here, featuring the dual sinks, the commode, and then you've got the combination tub and shower here with the glass panel added to that as well. Finally, we've got the last guest bedroom here, which is this owner's TV room. Now coming back out into the main space, we're gonna go straight across here and take a look at the master. Really nice size master suite here. That is a king size bed there for perspective. And then you've got a couple of closets here, but mainly you've got this huge closet right here. Look at the size of that thing. And all of this leads us into the master bath here with your walk-in glass enclosed shower, your corner soaking tub here. You've got the dual sinks, and then you also have your enclosed water closet right there. Now, last but not least, we're gonna take a look at the exterior living space here. So you've got a nice size lanai under truss here, overlooking your pool area. Got a nice outdoor kitchen with the beverage fridge and cooktop. And this is all overlooking your views here and your pool and spa at Treviso Bay. You're gonna get some beautiful sunset views from back here. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property Group, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.